My background with evangelism is pretty small. Before coming here on Stint, I'd never shared the gospel with someone in a standalone conversation. I always kind of stayed in the safe zone of, tell me about your family, or do you have a spiritual background? And I never pushed it further because honestly, I was just really afraid. I was afraid of rejection. I was afraid, of someone saying something really offensive to me. I just didn't want to be shut out. But since coming here and receiving some more training and really just stepping out in faith, I have had the privilege of seeing people come to Christ by sharing with them this booklet that I thought was the silliest thing ever. I really was not an advocate for the 4 laws. I think I just thought it was artificial and just not natural, but I found a way to incorporate my personality, my way of talking to people with this very clear tool that lays out the gospel, that lays out this truth. And so I found a way to put those two together and bring people to Christ. One cool story I have was from a few weeks ago with a girl named Dominique who was just sitting on a bench, and I approached her and we just started talking about spiritual things. And I said, I would love to share the gospel with you, this the foundation of the Christian faith. Would you have a few minutes? And she was so enthusiastic. And so I actually pulled up my phone app, which I think is really cool. And I started sharing the gospel with her, and to see her face, it was unlike anything I've ever experienced. Her face was lighting up, and I could see her whispering the verses under her breath and following along. And she kept saying, wow, like, this is amazing. I can't believe this. It was just such a beautiful moment of remembering what Christ has done for me, and then to be able to share that with someone. And in the end, she prayed to receive Christ and was just so grateful. And we hugged. She said, thank you for talking to me. And the whole rest of that day, I kept thinking about her and just what a miracle it was to see someone go from just total darkness and confusion to light. It was awesome.